Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello everyone, welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button. Also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time.
The national chairman of the Labour Party, Julius Abure, has dismissed claims that he was arrested by the Department of State Services.
And so I was traveling. I had to come down from my vehicle to do this short video to say that it is a lie, it is a rumor, and all members of Labour Party and members of the public should disregard the rumor. You know, enemies, political opponents are doing their handwork, and you know, these political detractors thrive in falsehood, thrive in lies, and therefore urge all our supporters to disregard it. I'm fine, nothing is wrong with me. Today is Friday, 16th of June. I am here making this short video. I'm fine and there's nothing wrong with me.
Also in a press statement released on Friday by the National Publicity Secretary of the Labour Party, Obiora Ifon, described the video as fake. The 10-second video published by the former youth leader of the party, Sèŕìøùśly, contains images of police officers who were arguing among themselves over an unexplained matter. Neither Abure nor any of our leaders appeared in the video. The security agencies are not after Abure and have no reason whatsoever to seek his arrest. If they need his attention, they will invite him personally or even through his several security details. For the record, Abure attended the court session today at the ongoing Presidential Appeal Tribunal, and he is presently attending some official engagements. At the Election Tribunal court on Friday, Abure was seen being escorted out of the court premises by some operatives of the DSS. Reacting to this, Abayomi Arabambi, the National Publicity Secretary of the Pple faction of the party, confirmed Abure's arrest in a phone conversation with our correspondent. Arabambi added that Abure was arrested after disobeying the court injunction as he continued to parade himself as the party chairman. The opposition Labour Party has been battling a leadership crisis. The Federal Capital Territory High Court in Abuja had issued an order restraining Abure from parading himself as the party's national chairman. Since the court ruling, Lamidi Pple, who was the deputy national chairman, has declared himself as the acting national chairman of LP. Meanwhile, the Nigeria Labour Congress, through its national president Joe Ajaero, has insisted that Abure remains the party's national chairman. Ajaero stated in an interview that if Abure is removed as the chairman of the party, a NEC meeting must be held for another to take place, which was not the case with Pple.
President Bola Ahmed Tinubu said on Thursday that there won't be room for failure in his administration. Tinubu stated this during the inauguration of National Economic Council headed by Vice President Kashim Shettima.
The NEC meeting has over the years been very constructive and productive, and key outcomes, resolutions and recommendations are translated into brilliant government policies. It is also evident that the task of growing our economy is quite enormous. But you and I ask for it, we campaign for it, we even dance for it, we beg for it. So we have no reason to complain. We must harness the growth potential of Nigeria. bring about serious development, to bring us from a potential issue to a pragmatic economic development in a rapid manner. Their expectation is on neck. As stakeholders, and you have the flexibility of using the local government to rapidly develop the infrastructure within the local government areas, to be impartial, to govern according to the Constitution and the rule of law, to defend the nation from terror and all forms of criminality, to promote economic growth and development through job creation, food security, and an end to poverty, to prominently feature women and youth in all our activities, and to take proactive steps such as championing a credit culture to discourage corruption while strengthening the effectiveness and efficiency of various anti-corruption agencies. I also highlighted 8 priority areas to which this administration will focus: security, economy, jobs, agriculture, and infrastructure. We have already taken significant steps by ending the fuel subsidy and unifying the foreign exchange rate. This government will continue to transform our nation's fortunes and bring about unprecedented development through good governance.
The council was inaugurated on Thursday, June 15, 2023, at the council chambers of Presidential Villa in Abuja. In his address, President Tinubu, while calling for support in his administration to transform the economic fortunes of the country, emphasized the enormity of growing a nation's economy. Members of the NEC comprises the 36 state governors, the governor of Central Bank of Nigeria, and other government officials. Governors and deputy governors were in attendance at the inauguration of the council. George Akume, Secretary to the Government of the Federation, Femi Gbajabiamila, Chief of Staff, Mele Kyari, Group Chief Executive Officer of the Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited, were in attendance. In another development, the President has approved the appointment of special advisors. They include Dele Alake, Special Advisor, Special Duties, Communication and Strategy; Yao Darazo, Special Advisor, Political and Intergovernmental Affairs; Wale Edun, Special Advisor, Monetary Policy; Olu Veranjen, Special Advisor, Energy; Zacchaeus Adedeji, Special Advisor, Revenue; Nuhu Ribadu, Special Advisor, Security; John Ugochukwu Uwajumogun, Special Advisor, Trade and Investment; Samuel Ibrahim Anas, Special Advisor, Health. This was contained in a press statement released on Thursday by Abiodun Oladunjoye, Director of Information at the State House.
Yes, so my people, as I tell una say I go come back, I don't come back, una welcome back. As una see that video, una watch, how una see am. I want una leave una comment for the comment section there. Una tell me how una see the matter, whether it good or it bad. If it good, make una let me know. If it still bad, make una still let me know. Una remember say everybody gets freedom of speech. Okay? All right. Thank you very much. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Good day, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.